In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PDF from an Excel file using Power Automate. Now, if you've ever found yourself in need of converting an Excel document into a PDF quickly and efficiently, Power Automate is a fantastic tool to get the job done. Let's dive right in. First, we'll start by launching the Power Automate desktop application on your computer. This is your main hub for automating tasks and workflows, so make sure you're familiar with its interface. Once you've opened Power Automate Desktop, the next step is to create a new flow. This is essentially the space where all the magic happens. You'll design and configure your workflow here. Click on New Flow and, when prompted, give your flow a meaningful name, like Convert Excel to PDF. Naming is important because it helps you quickly identify what the flow does in your list of flows. After you've typed in the name, click the Create button to move forward. Now that you've got your new flow open, it's time to set up the file paths, which are crucial for making sure the right files are converted and saved. Use the Set Variable action to specify the path of the Excel file you wish to convert. This is where you'll input the location of your source Excel file, so double-check this to avoid any errors. Similarly, you'll also define where you want the output PDF file to be saved. Consistency in your file path naming can really help keep your files organized and easy to locate. Having set up your file paths, it's time to add a script that will handle the conversion process. Look for the Run VB Script action in the list of actions available in Power Automate Desktop. By incorporating a VB script, you can automate the task of converting the Excel file to a PDF. This script will essentially bridge the gap and tell your computer how to perform the conversion. Insert this action and ensure it is properly configured with the correct logical sequence to perform this task. With all your steps in place, there's one final step before you're done: saving and running your flow. You'll begin by clicking Save to ensure all your configurations are stored and won't be lost. Then, you'll want to click Run to execute the flow you've just created. Watch closely as the flow runs to ensure everything works as expected. Once complete, go ahead and verify that the PDF has been created and is located at your specified output location. If it is, congratulations! You've successfully automated the conversion of an Excel document to a PDF using Power Automate. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tutorials to make your workflow smoother and more efficient.